So guys, for the first step, you want to get into this screen. Now to get here, you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times. So you want to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As it's turning on, you want to quickly turn it back off again and then turn it back on again. Repeat this 3 times, it will then take you into this screen. And then once you're on this screen, it's going to say that your PC did not start correctly. You want to click on Advanced Options, which will now take us to here. And then once we're here, you want to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Startup Settings. If you do not see Startup Settings, you want to click on Seam Recovery Options, then it should appear right here. So you want to click on Startup Settings, and then click on Restart. And then once we're here, we're going to enable Safe Mode. To enable Safe Mode, we're going to click on either 4 or F4 on our keyboard. So click on 4 or F4, wait for this to load. And then once we're in Safe Mode, we're just going to close out of this. Now we're going to head over to Search and type in File Explorer, click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that you have Windows installed on it. For me, it's my C drive. I'm going to double click on it. And now you want to go to Windows. Now you want to scroll down till you find System 32. Here it is, double click on System 32. Now you want to scroll down again till we find Drivers. Double click on Drivers. And then once you're on this, you want to find Crowdstrike. You want to double click on this folder. Now right here where it says Search Crowdstrike, you want to click on this. You want to type in C dash and then 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 291. And now by now you should be having this C dash and then 5 zeros 291.sys. You want to right click on it and then click on delete. You want to delete that. And now you just want to restart your computer. It will then take you back to Windows and then the problem should be fixed.